I created an AI avatar so real, it fooled my mom. Wait, that wasn't me. That was an AI avatar I created in about 20 minutes. I sent it to my mom and she thought it was actually me talking. Perfect lip sync, natural movement, zero camera setup. And I'm about to show you how I did it step by step. But first, let me show you the one mistake that makes most AI avatars look crazy fake. Here's the thing. Creating an AI avatar sounds amazing until you actually try it. You generate one that looks great. And then the next video, your character looks like their distant cousin. Not that we want to hide that it's AI, but you just don't want it to be irritating. I learned this the hard way. I spent 3 days trying to recreate the same character for a client project, and every version looked totally different. It was like trying to bake my mom's famous cookies without writing down the recipe. Let me tell you, that's a complete disaster. The problem isn't the tools, it's the system. You need two things working together: consistent character foundation and lip sync that doesn't make people cringe. Miss either one and you're toast. So today I'm walking you through my complete system. We're creating the character first, then bringing it to life with the best lip sync tools that I've tested. Imagine creating a week's worth of content in just one afternoon, while everyone else is stressing over their camera setups. So let's do this. All right, so think of creating an AI avatar like building a house. You can't just slap up the walls without a foundation, right? You get this part wrong and everything else falls apart. In a previous video, I showed you how to use Higgsfield AI to create a consistent AI avatar. I'll link that video below. But now let me show you how to use OpenArt. So let's jump into OpenArt, and then we're gonna click on Create Image, then select Photorealistic Model. Now this is crucial. Don't skip this step, or you'll end up with that weird plastic AI look. Now look at the screen for my prompt formula. I get super specific. See how detailed it is? That's your recipe. I'm not just saying, make me a woman. You're describing every ingredient. Now look at the result. Now this is where most people mess up. They create something great, then they forget how they did it. Don't be that person. I keep a simple document. You can use Google Docs, whatever. And I say the exact prompt I used, the platform and the model settings, the reference image, and any specific details. Now think of it like your character's birth certificate. Of course, you don't need it every day, but sometimes you'll have to refer back to it. Same character, different outfit. Same character, different background. Same character, different pose. The face stays consistent. That's the goal. Here's your pro tip. Generate at least 3 to 5 variations of your character in different scenarios right from the start. Save them all. This gives you a library to work with instead of recreating from scratch every time. Now wait, before we bring this character to life, you need to see what happens when you skip the foundation step. I'm talking about all the fails that make you want to throw your laptop out the window. This is Sarah on Monday, this is Sarah on Wednesday, and this is who the heck is this? Build the foundation first. Now we've got a consistent character. Let's bring her to life. And this is where it gets fun. I tested 3 major lip sync tools with the exact same script and the exact same character to see which one actually delivers on the promise of realistic movement. Now think of this like a cooking competition. The same ingredients, different chefs, totally different results. Hey Jen is that friend who always shows up on time with their life together.
Now we're in HeyGen, and now we're just going to create photo to video. And now we're just going to drag and drop our image that we just created here. Then we're going to select a voice. We can go with some different voices here, or I think I'm just going to upload the voice that I created in 11 Labs. All right, so here we go. Now that the voice is uploaded, let's just go ahead and generate the video. First, I selected 1080p. Now we just wait for the video to render.
If you're serious about creating your own AI influencer, grab the free starter kit in the description. It gives you the blueprint, the prompts, and the tools you need to actually start today. Go download it.
See that? The lip sync is clean, the movement is professional, the quality is sharp. Higgsfield is like having a Swiss Army knife. They've got multiple lip sync models, and honestly, some are way better than others.
Now let's try our lip sync in Higgsfield. We're going to go to video, and we are going to go to Lip Sync Studio. We're going to upload our audio that we had before. Okay, so now our audio is uploading. We are going to select our image that we did before. Okay, so we selected Infinite Talk. Now we're going to upload our image that we created previously. And then we're also going to upload our file that we had in 11 Labs. And then we're just going to give a prompt. As a matter of fact, let's see if we even have to give a prompt. So let's just leave that blank and let's go ahead and run it. And on Higgsfield, it is 134 credits in order to do the Infinite Talk.
If you're serious about creating your own AI influencer, grab the free starter kit in the description. It gives you the blueprint, the prompts, and the tools you need to actually start today. Go download it.
Okay, so now let's check out OpenArt's lip sync feature. Okay, so now we are in OpenArt and we are just going to go to the new lip sync video. Okay, so we just selected the clean avatar and I just uploaded the image that we just downloaded and I put in our 11 Labs file. So let's just see how this goes. This is a new feature that OpenArt has, so I'm really excited about it, but it does cost 165 credits.
If you're serious about creating your own AI influencer, grab the free starter kit in the description. It gives you the blueprint, the prompts, and the tools you need to actually start today. Go download it.
The natural expressions and the movement quality rivals tools that cost twice as much. Now, this one surprised me.
Now check out 2-character lip sync in Kling 2.6.
Pilot's membership expensive.
Matcha latte's also expensive, the starter kit free, and it helps you build passive income. That's rich girl math, babe.
Look at that. The expressions feel more alive. The head movements are subtle and natural. Now, here's the catch. With 6 different models to choose from, there is a learning curve, but you'll find your favorite and you'll be golden. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Design AI can actually handle 4 characters having a conversation with natural back and forth lip sync. This opens up storytelling possibilities that other tools just can't touch. That's the power of multi-character sync. The limitation, the individual character quality isn't quite as polished as HeyGen's premium results, but for storytelling, podcast-style videos, anywhere where you need conversation instead of just monologue, this is unmatched. Now, this part is wild, and most people have no idea about this. The tool you choose doesn't even matter if you mess up this one thing. Your avatar's voice is half the battle. It's like pairing a gourmet meal with a gas station soda. Don't ruin the meal. Now, here's what I discovered. Using generic AI voices makes your avatar sound like GPS directions, robotic, lifeless, forgettable. But when you clone your own voice or create a custom voice that matches your brand, now that's where the whole game changes. 11 Labs is the best cloning tool I have found. You can clone your own voice with just a few minutes of audio, but it's best if you use 30 minutes to 2 hours or create custom voices that sound incredibly human. Now, here's a workflow.
Now we are in 11 Labs and we just selected the filters. I selected English, American, social media, high quality, female, young, and any notice period. And I excluded custom rates with live moderation enabled. I selected Zara. I'm going to come here and I'm going to paste my script. And now I'm just going to download it.
Download that audio file and upload it to any of the lip syncing tools we just covered. The links will be below. Now, that's what makes people say, wait, is this even AI? The voice sells the realism just as much as the lip sync does. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Most people think the lip sync tool is what makes or breaks the quality, but I discovered something that improved my results 40% across every platform. Audio quality affects lip sync quality. Think of it like this. You're trying to dance to a music with a bad beat. Your moves are gonna look off, right? So same thing with AI lip sync. If your audio is muddy, has background noise, or the levels are all over the place, the AI struggles to sync accurately. Step 1, record or generate your audio in 11 Labs. Then step 2, clean it up. Remove background noise, normalize the levels. Then step 3, export a high quality MP3 or WAV file. Then number 4, upload to your lip sync tool. This one tweak alone made a massive difference in my client work. All right, now let's bring it all together. Here's my complete system for replacing yourself with an AI avatar that is so realistic, it might just fool everyone. Step 1, create your consistent character in Higgsfield.ai or OpenArt. Photorealistic model with a detailed prompt and make sure you save everything. Step 2, test your character in multiple scenarios, different outfit, poses, backgrounds. And step 3, clone your voice in 11 labs or create a custom voice that matches your brand. Step 4, clean your audio, remove the noise, normalize the levels. Step 5, choose your lip sync tool based on the use case. In step 6, generate, test, and refine. Now, let me tell you, this is what freedom looks like. Content without camera stress, without perfect lighting setups, without doing 47 takes because you messed up one word. You know what I mean, right? All right, it's your turn. I want you to create your first AI avatar this week. Hashtag replace yourself challenge. I'm going to feature the best ones in my next video. I can't wait to see what you create. Because I want to make this as easy as possible for you, I put together a free AI influencer starter kit. Inside, you can turn a random AI avatar into a real, believable persona with a backstory and a niche. This video blew your mind. Smash that like button and hit the notification bell because it tells YouTube to show this to more creators who need it. And we are not doing any gatekeeping here. So make sure you drop a comment of which tool you're testing first. I read every single one. See you in the next video where we're going to talk about how to actually make money with these AI avatars because freedom isn't just about time. It's about money too. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.